Welcome back to my channel. This is Vinay Lakchakar, having 9 year experience in IT. So my today's topic is iOS Development Roadmap 2023. So before proceeding the video, if you did not subscribe my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon. So moving on the video, Development Roadmap 2023. So the topic we will cover on this video is Swift programming language, understand iOS development tools and technologies, master iOS app architecture and design pattern, dive into iOS user interface UI development, explore data persistence and networking, embrace iOS app testing and debugging, and publish your first iOS and conclusion. So number one is Swift programming language. Swift has become the go-to programming language for iOS development. To embark on your journey as an iOS developer, start by mastering Swift. Familiarize yourself with its syntax, data types, control flow, and object-oriented concepts. To create visually appealing user interface, learn Swift UI. It offers a declarative syntax and allow you to design UIs for multiple Apple platforms. Swift UI simplifies UI development, letting you focus on functionality. Number two, understand iOS development tools and technologies. As an iOS developer, you will need to become proficient in using the various tools and technologies provided by Apple Xcode. Apple Integrated Development Environment (IDE) is a vital tool for iOS app development. Get acquainted with its features, including interface builder, debugging tools, and simulator. Additionally, learn about iOS framework like UIKit, Foundation, Core Data, and Core Animation. These frameworks provide the building blocks for creating feature-rich and visually appealing iOS apps. Stay updated with the latest updates and changes in Apple development ecosystem. Number three, master iOS app architecture and design pattern. To develop scalable and maintainable iOS apps, it's essential to understand app architecture and design patterns. Familiarize yourself with architectural patterns like model view controller MVC, model view model MVPM, and model view presenter MVP. Design patterns like singleton, observer, and delegate help you write clean, modular, and reusable code. Knowing when and how to apply these patterns will enhance your development skills and make your apps more robust. Number four, demand into iOS user interface UI development. iOS is renowned for its visually appealing and intuitive user interfaces. Gain expertise in developing iOS UIs using Interface Builder, Storyboard, and Swift UI. Interface Builder allow you to create UI components visually, while Swift UI offers a declarative approach to UI development. Learn about auto layout and adaptive UI concepts to ensure your app's UI looks great across various devices, size, and orientations. Understand the principle of human interface guidelines and design best practices to create user friendly apps. Number five, explore data persistence and networking. Most most apps require data persistence and networking capabilities. Core data, Apple's object graph and persistence framework enables you to store and manage app data efficiently. Learn how to integrate core data into your app to provide offline data access and synchronization. Additionally, explore networking libraries like Fire or URL Session to consume web services and retrieve data from APIs. Understand concepts such as RESTful APIs, JSON parsing, and handling synchronous operations to build robust networking components. Number six, embrace iOS app testing and debugging. Bug-free apps are crucial for a positive user experience. Learn how to write unit test using XCTest or third-party testing frameworks. Explore UI testing to automate the verification of your app's UI behavior. Familiarize yourself with debugging techniques and tools to identify and fix issues efficiently. Xcode provides a powerful debugger and various debugging instruments to analyze app performance, memory usage, and more. Number seven, publish your first iOS app. Once you have built and tested your app, it's time to publish it on the App Store. Familiarize yourself with the App Store Connect portal, which allows you to submit your app for review, manage app metadata, and track app analytics. Ensure your app meets Apple App Store guidelines and follow best practices for user privacy and security. Aim to create an engaging app description, appealing screenshots, and a compelling app icons to attract users. Conclusion. So, this roadmap has provided you with a basic overview of iOS development. I hope this roadmap has helped you to get started with iOS development. So, friends, stay connected with me for getting new informative video related iOS development 2023. So, thanks for watching my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for informative video and further updates. Thank you.